This is the north of the Iran. Uh, it is very beautiful area that I see in my life. In the same time, I am walking in the cold of high mountains, in the raining area. So, with my friend Hussein Muhammad Ahmed. Take a deep breath to show how it is affecting on yourself and how the God it is create this nature. You can show the trees and how long it's tall and how long it is present here. On the ground it is shiny. And I also will keep moving in this area and enjoy in it. This is the top of mountain. You not see anything cause of the cold of sky here, and show how long the trees you are see. What I can say, it is very beautiful moment. When we're going over here, just relaxing and stress relief in this moment. I am go down right now. Thank you for watching.